already had reels at this time. That one.
Oh, 1, 2 minutes.
Look how many I got though.
We have a race. We having a race, you guys. We at the airport. No security. This is my security guard for the day. He my security.
Yeah, so. nigga better not play on crib.
Yeah. Nigga play. They don't do security guards.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie though. We in Atlanta and I'm horny as hell, so who trying to come back with me tonight?
We in LA. Disregard that damn fool.
We in LA, who trying to get turned up tonight? I'm trying to get one of y'all pregnant in LA and go by my bed.
What you trying to do?
I'm trying to get one of y'all pregnant in LA and go by my bed. I don't want no dealing.
I ain't gonna lie.
Ugly head ass nigga.
You ugly hell.
Who?
Get that nigga, Lily.
You ugly hell. You like.
I pull away my hoe to both of y'all.
Brogdon off Milwaukee Bucks.
My your forehead fat as hell.
Man, your hairline fucked up.
Man, yo got it forehead ass nigga. Skinny face ass nigga.
Looking ass nigga.
You ugly as hell.
Hey, son, Prince looking ass nigga. Clay Thompson looking ass nigga.
Oscar Proud looking ass nigga.
You
skinny
ugly.
Face ass nigga.
Man, that same ass check. Nigga hear that check every day. Nobody want to.
Telling folks that shit,
How you like a moose? You like a lizard? You like an elephant?
oh,
You
God.
ugly as hell. That shit was lying.
That nigga like Clay.
On me.
Young Crucial looking at that nigga.
A cigarette looking at
nigga. I'm talking about ass. If any nigga get at it, get checked. You a pretty boy and you ugly hell. Fuck you. Get off our line, bitch. I know. I got on this trick on.
Who else we getting on that?
Trying to check you. That fine man check.
You got what?
Plenty check for a nigga. Any nigga get on this whole little leaf and tear their ass up. And that's on me, baby.
You got dying on your phone.
Who? How you head toward my forehead? Hey, who in LA? I'm trying to fuck tonight. I'm put a little pussy on it. I pay for that pussy tonight. He won't, but I will.
You said.
That girl said she was something out of 50.
Mine got do-rag on. Ugly ass nigga, butt ass nigga, chicken dumpling head ass nigga.
You got a do-rag. Show your face, bro.
Fuck you, man. You ugly as hell.
Hey, you got AR on it.
You ugly hell. Hold on, show your face again, bro.
Fire me up. Fire me up. Fire me up.
Man, on God, you like a nigga named Butterball.
Nigga, fuck you talking about?
Butterball on God.
You ugly as hell.
You look dusty.
Nigga said you look
dusty.
Nigga, you look dusty as fuck, boy.
Folks say you a push monkey on God.
Fuck you talking about?
Folks say your head round the hell, meatball head ass nigga.
Boy, go hit that shoot dance somewhere. What you talking about?
Hand grave.
Hold on, let me check it real quick. Why you ugly hell? You know reclining head. You like a moose for you like a donkey.
You ugly as hell. What you doing with this nigga anyway?
Like an elbow,
you must be one of this nigga yes man, cuz.
Your head ain't even getting the circle.
You a yes man, ain't you? You a yes man.
YG looking at nigga.
You a yes man, huh?
Kendrick Lamar looking at nigga.
You a yes man, huh?
Man, I'm a yes man.
You a yes man, yeah.
Yes, man.
Man,
you
I see you, Blocboy. Come here, nigga.
That T-Bag
come here. Hold up.
That's
Man, move, man. Why trying to talk to you?
$199.
Move, bro.
Look, bro, you
Move,
gay
man.
hell.
Move,
Look,
bro.
bro, you
Move.
gay hell.
Go
You sound
on, bro.
like Prince.
Move.
And
Man, move.
in your nose fat as hell, man. And you finna get off the line because you ugly
Man,
as hell.
yo, move, bro.
Oh God. Who they talking about some white power? Shit, black power. Fuck you mean? Everybody lie about it here.
Hey, who said white power? Oh yeah, yo what? Alright, we finna come get your ass. We do not fuck with the Ku Klux Klan, nigga.
Who else wants some more Debo? Look, they call us a Negro. Hey, but at the end of the day, guess what? We right here. We post. No security guard.
I'm finna flag ass up. I need to flag ass up.
You called his ass. See what that got to say. See what the fuck his ass got to say. Fuck. What? Come on. Show me this power you talking about.
Hello.
See, how you gonna say some fucking white power on your screen black? The fuck?
Nigger.
Stupid ass nigga, dog house ass nigga, no lights having ass nigga, butt ass nigga, stupid ass nigga.
Well, I'm sorry, actually.
Nigga, you probably one of them white boys on the motherfucking PlayStation.
Yes, we are.
Playing GTA 4, broke ass.
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Oh, your mama trailer trash, bitch.
Okay.
Eminem, look at that nigga. You ugly hell. You like Rey Mysterio, cuz. On
Okay.
me.
He got a black screen though,
On me,
Okay.
but you got a black screen talking about white power,
Niggers.
nigga. We out here with these white folks. This my
Nigger
nigga got white
T-Tarts.
folks in his pocket, nigga. Fuck you talking about.
Cracker.
That cuz, that man, I don't see his face, but cuz, I know cuz that look like Shawn Michaels.
Oh God, he probably in that
I'm
motherfucker.
just a sexy boy. Sexy boy.
Doing the joint to suck it. Hey, suck it. Hey.
I'm just a sexy boy. Sexy boy. Damn, you went up to 2,000.
Hell yeah.
Shit.
Blaze on this motherfucker right here. I don't even want to go nowhere right now. I'm gonna sit right here and just enjoy this shit. Folks said if it ain't white, it ain't right. Shit. If it ain't black, it ain't that. Fuck your man.
White hoe every time I see a white hoe. That might say lynch him. That might ass trying to get somebody. He trying to murk somebody.
Ooh. Hey.
Them folks on that hoe saying white power. Oh, hell no. Black power, man. Black power. See who I got on the shirt, nigga, man. Somebody said KKK. Them folks
Damn, them folks on that hoe.
them folks about the Ku Klux Klan on that hoe.
All right, well, fuck KKK. Fuck KKK.
KKK.
I got 3K, well, really 4Ks for you bitches. And all them motherfuckers in my motherfucking house. Bitch. See, nobody said white lives don't matter. Black lives matter too. Who else wants some of this shit? We get back on that chicken shit. We ain't on that black power, white power ass shit.
They said kill the white.
Hey, we don't inciting all this shit. We on some other shit.
Blue lives matter.
Purple flags matter.
They just who the fuck all those fucking being racist. We ain't y'all not dating. Them folks on that gang bang.
I'm trying to get on some other shit.
What's up?
Yo, like what the fuck, yo? Rough as fuck. Hey, don't get that shit, Lily. Yeah. Uh, 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 yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, man.
Folks said go back to Africa.
Go back to Apple Meat.
Yeah.
What I do with Apple? Yeah, what's up with it?
Man, them folk got the whole KKK on them motherfuckers.
I'm finna go. I'm finna go to the land.
Man, y'all on some other shit now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a bum on y'all ass. Oh, my mama, I'm a bum on y'all ass. Y'all keep on playing on Crip because I'm a bum on y'all ass. I'm going to find out what the fuck y'all at. I bet y'all won't drop their motherfucking addy. We going to bum on y'all ass. On my mom, nah, fuck all them music shit. They talking all them motherfucking racist ass shit. You niggas butt as hell. Man, I ain't gonna even lie. I don't even lie, fool. Don't even do that. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna even lie. Alright. Alright. Motherfucker.